Warrior II pose, or Virabhadrasana II in Sanskrit, is a powerful standing yoga pose that builds strength and stamina. It's most often entered from Warrior I pose by planting the back foot, rotating the torso and hips to the side, and stretching the arms in either direction. While it's a basic yoga pose, Warrior II is used for all levels as it gives a deep stretch to the hips and greatly strengthens the legs. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at the hips. Exhale, right foot. Step wide apart about 3.5 to 4 feet away. Check to ensure your heels are aligned with each other, or the front foot of the heel in line with the back foot of the arch. The right foot is angled out at 90 degrees, so your toes are pointing to the top of the mat. Pivot your right foot slightly inwards. Your back toes should be at a 45-degree angle. Lift through the arches of your feet while rooting down through your ankles. Inhale, raise your arms to the side to show height, so they are parallel to the floor. Your arms should be aligned directly over your legs. With your palms facing down, reach actively from fingertip to fingertip. On an exhalation, bend your front knee. Line your knee directly over the ankle of your front foot. Your front shin should be perpendicular to the floor. Sink your hips low, eventually bring your front thigh parallel to the floor. Make sure your front shin stays vertical. Widen your stance as needed to make sure that your knee does not move forward past your ankle. Press down through the outer edge of the back foot and keep your back leg straight. Keep your torso perpendicular to the floor with the head directly over your tailbone. Do not lean towards your front leg. Turn your head to gaze out across the tip of your left middle finger. Broaden across your collarbones and lengthen the space between your shoulder blades. Engage your triceps. Drop your shoulders and lift your chest. Draw your belly in toward the spine and breathe while holding the pose. To release, the head return back to neutral. Hands at the hips. Inhale, straighten the front knee. Exhale, the back foot, the heel draw in and toes on the front. Hips and chest facing the front. Inhale, right foot step forward. Exhale, hand to the side, back to Tadasana.